Bitbns, your ultimate cryptocurrency exchange. Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most prominent cryptocurrency exchanges in India and beyond. What is Bitbns? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Bitbns? Bitbns is a cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for buying, selling, and trading a wide range of cryptocurrencies. In 2017, Bitbns has quickly become a leading exchange in the crypto space. Key features of Bitbns: discover the remarkable features that set Bitbns apart from the rest. Security measures: Bitbns prioritizes the safety of your assets. They use advanced security protocols such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for digital assets, ensuring that your investments are secure. User-friendly interface: navigating the exchange is a breeze, even for beginners. Here's an example of how easy it is to place a trade on Bitbns. Demonstrate a sample. Trade. Liquidity: Bitbns offers high liquidity, ensuring you can execute trades quickly and efficiently. This means you can buy or sell cryptocurrencies without significant price fluctuation. Token, BNST. Learn about Bitbns' native cryptocurrency, BNST. BNST serves multiple purposes within the Bitbns ecosystem. For example, holding BNST can provide you with reduced trading fees, making your trading experience more cost-effective. If you hold BNST, you may also have the opportunity to participate in exclusive token sales and initial exchange offerings, IEOs. Can be a great way to access new and promising crypto projects. Trading on Bitbns: a closer look at how to trade on Bitbns. Spot trading: this is the most common way to trade cryptocurrencies on Bitbns. You can buy, sell, or exchange various cryptocurrencies. You want to buy Bitcoin? Here's how you can do it. Demonstrate a sample Bitcoin purchase. Futures trading: for those seeking more advanced trading options, Bitbns offers futures trading with leverage. This allows you to potentially magnify your profits or losses based on market movements. Peer-to-peer, P2P platform: Bitbns' P2P platform allows cryptocurrencies directly with other users. It's a secure way to trade without the need for an intermediary. Staking and earning with Bitbns: explore opportunities to grow your crypto holdings through staking and earning on Bitbns. Staking: by staking certain cryptocurrencies on Bitbns, you can earn rewards and additional tokens. For example, if you stake your Tezos, XTZ, on Bitbns, you can earn additional XTZ tokens as a reward. Earning: Bitbns provides various ways to earn passive income. Option is to participate in their savings account feature, where you can earn interest on your crypto holdings. Smart Token Fund, STF. Dive into the world of crypto investments with the Smart Token Fund on Bitbns. STF allows you to invest in curated cryptocurrency portfolios managed by experts. Say you want to invest in a diversified crypto portfolio without the need to research and manage each asset individually. STF can help you achieve this goal. Security measures: security is paramount in the crypto world. Learn how Bitbns keeps your assets safe. Two-factor authentication, 2FA. Protect your account with an extra layer of security. For example, when you enable 2FA, you'll need to enter a one-time code from your authenticator app to log in, adding a strong level of security to your account. Cold storage: Bitbns stores the majority of user funds in cold storage wallets, keeping them offline and out of reach from potential threats. This practice prevents hacks and unauthorized access to your assets. Get started on Bitbns, ready to begin your crypto journey with Bitbns. Here's a step-by-step guide. Account creation: sign up for a Bitbns account by providing your email, creating a secure password, and completing the necessary identification and security information. Complete the KYC, know your customer, process to unlock full account features. This usually involves submitting identity documents for verification, funding your account, learn how to deposit funds into your Bitbns wallet. You can do this by linking your bank account or transferring cryptocurrencies from another exchange or wallet. And pricing, understanding the fee structure and pricing on Bitbns. Trading fees. Bitbns charges competitive fees for trades, with discounts available for BNST holders. For instance, if you hold a certain amount of BNST tokens, you may enjoy reduced trading fees. Withdrawal fees. Get insights into the costs associated with withdrawing your crypto assets. It's essential to understand these fees to manage your expenses effectively. Mobile app, trading on the go. Explore the Bitbns mobile app features, discover the features of the Bitbns app, including real-time trading, portfolio tracking, and alerts. With the mobile app, you can conveniently manage your crypto investments from your smartphone. Convenience, trade cryptocurrencies anytime, anywhere with the mobile app. Whether you're at home or on the move, you have access to the crypto market at your fingertips. Bitbns in the news, stay updated with the latest news and developments regarding Bitbns. Regulations. Learn how Bitbns complies with cryptocurrency regulations in India and globally. Example, Bitbns may have recently announced compliance with new regulations in India, ensuring a secure trading environment for users. Partnerships. Explore Bitbns' collaborations within the crypto industry. Recently, Bitbns might with other crypto projects to expand its ecosystem. In conclusion, Bitbns is not just an exchange, it's your gateway to the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrencies. Join the crypto revolution, and let Bitbns be your trusted partner in navigating this exciting landscape. For joining us in this exploration of Bitbns, your window to the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow crypto enthusiasts. Stay tuned for more valuable. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments carry risks, and it's essential to research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.